Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details about the report, let me explain. So what kind of tables I have imported from the Excel. Okay. So if you look at here, category, customer, date, so geography, internet sales, product, sales started, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also you can see that, so I have created one more table, that is a dynamic table. So I'll try to show this one. So go to the data tab, click on here. So here I have created the values like a total sales, what is the max sales, min sales, like that I have created this table, and I'm using these values as a slicer in our report. So we'll try to see why I have created this one and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension table and fact table. So understand relationship is very important in Power BI. Now go to the model, so click on here, expand this, collapse this two, so scroll a little bit. So now we can see that already we have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. Okay, so I'll try to keep it simple so that just a minute. So if you look at here, for example, so based on this key, I have established the relationship between the product table and internet sales. So here the filter propagation is flowing from one direction to many direction. It means that from the product table to the fact table, like that I have established the relationship between these dimension and fact table. Likewise, even I have established the relationship for other tables also. So we'll try to focus in upcoming sessions about all options, what are the how to auto detect, how to create manually, so what is the cross filter direction, what is the cardinality, how many types. We'll try to see all kind of options in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report on it. Now click on report. So here we can see that we have two pages. So this is the table as well. So what I'm doing here is, so I have product, so total sales, max sales, min sales. So each product wise, what is the total sales and what is the maximum sales, what is the min sales. So this product also same thing, like what is the sales amount, what is the maximum sales, what is the min sales. So for example, even you can how many times, what is the transaction count, what is that average sales for each product wise, like we can create a different measures. So instead of keeping all the measures in this report, so why don't you make it in a dynamic. So it means that based on the selection, total sales or max sales, min sales, average sales. So if you make it dynamic, so automatically based on the selection we can display the result of each product wise. So that is that kind of report I have designed here. So this is like each measure I have displayed here, but in this, so each product wise I have the sales, but what kind of sales, whether it is based on the selection. For example, if I click on total sales, automatically we can see that, so what is the total sales each product wise in Australia country. Okay, so this product 10,000 for Australia. For example, when I click on Canada, so 5,000, France. So like based on this selection we can see the total sales for each product wise. For example, if I click on minimum sales, what is the minimum sales, sorry, so what is the minimum sales, so each product wise in Germany. So this product has this much minimum sales, so in Germany. So this product, this one, for example, if I click on here, so 0.45. So values are changed. Some product having the same value even for the all the countries. So that is the reason we can able to see the same value. but if we click on here 1, but when I click on the United States, we can see that 0.45. So we can see that what is the minimum sales for each country wise. For example, if you want to know the maximum sales, max sales, we can see that. So each country wise we can see what is the maximum value for each product wise. So like that, so I have designed this report under. So based on this selection, automatically it displaying whether it is do you want a minimum sales or maximum sales or total sales. So like that, so I have whatever the table I have created, so those three values I'm making it a slicer. Based on this slicer selection, automatically I'm displaying total sales or minimum sales or maximum sales. Even you can display the number of transaction count for each product wise, and what is the average sales for each product wise. Like that we can display also, but for timing I'm trying to show these three only: total sales, minimum sales or maximum sales with respect to the any country. So what kind of expression I have written this one? It's very simple only. So for calculating the total sales, so try to zoom it. So I have used the calculate sum x function. For my minimum sales, I have used the min-x function. For maximum sales, I have used the max-x function. For dynamic selection, so I have used the switch statement as well as the selected value function. So based on selection that is done coming from the dynamic value table, so I'm just capturing if the total sales is whenever I click on total sales, display this one. Whenever I click on max sales, display this measure. Whenever I click on minimum sales, display this one. So like that I have written the expression based on that. So we are getting the values based on this slicer selection. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for other videos. Thanks so much for watching.